That was 1 can of strawberry pie filling. Let's make sure we get all that yummy juice out of there. Don't want to waste any of this goodness. This is gonna be so good. All right, now that we got all the juice out of there, we're just gonna spread this out on the bottom of our baking dish. There we go. Now we have our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. I'm gonna take a scooper here, and I'm just gonna put scoops of this delicious cheesecake filling all throughout my pan here. And I do have another tub on standby in case this isn't enough, because this one was not completely full. All right, now we're gonna take our spatula and we're gonna try to spread this filling gently on top of our strawberries. And it's okay if it gets streaks in it, because it'll make a pretty design and it's still gonna taste delicious. Okay, so I did end up breaking out another tub, so you're gonna want to use a full tub of the cheesecake filling. We have perfectly moist strawberry supreme Duncan Hines cake mix that we're just gonna put right on top of our pie filling and cheesecake filling. This dessert is such a game changer, you guys. It's gonna be so good. I love making it for my friends and for my family. They're always begging for more. It is that good. So we're just evenly pouring the cake mix all over the top of everything. Now we're just gonna flatten it out. Make sure everything is all covered and pretty flat. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you just want to cover everything up. All right, now we have a stick of butter that I thinly sliced here. And I'm using salted because that's what I had, but I'm sure it's better to use unsalted for this. All right, so I ended up using 1.5 sticks of butter. This is going in the oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you could smell this, it smells awesome. Ooh, I let it cool down a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at that delicious texture. Ooh, let's get some of this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. I have here some Ready Whip. Well, actually this is whipped topping, extra creamy, and we're gonna add it right on top for a little more flavor. You could also do this with some ice cream. Ooh, I gotta give this a try. Look at that delicious cheesecake layer and that strawberry pie filling just melded right in with everything. Blow on it, it's hot. Oh my gosh. That is so good.